Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the oil pan. No, not the oil pan. Wait, I'm looking at the oil pump. I'm gonna show you how to remove the oil pump today, guys. And it's really simple. It's really easy process. All you need is a 10 millimeters and 13 millimeters, and that's it. So here's how you do it. Important thing about why I said 10 millimeters is because you cannot remove an oil pan, oil pump without removing the oil pan first. You have to remove the oil pan first, and then the reason why is because of this I would say a suction thing. What happened is, this is your oil here. This actually, because of the pump, it sucks the oil again here, comes to the pump, and then pump distributes all around the engine. So this is pretty much a suction funnel or whatever it is. So because of this, you cannot remove oil pump, because once you start removing this oil pump this way, it will hit in the pan and you will not be able to remove it all the way. So you have to remove the oil pan first in order to remove the oil pump. So here's how you do the oil pump. It's a really simple process. All you need is your 13 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all it is. 6 bolts on the top. On the bottom there is 3 10 millimeters for the pen. And here we go. The oil pump is right here. It's all crusty and bad, but it's here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna replace it, get a new one. But yeah, that's how you remove the oil pump. It's easy, it's simple. When you install this pump, it has to go a certain way, because this crankshaft have grooves, so you have to align it there inside in order to put it on. Anyway, this way here, it goes to your filter, oil filter housing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you remove the oil pump. If this pump is right there, it has sealant. Try not to bang it. Try not to hit it with a hammer to pry it off. Go easy, guys. Go from one side to another. Go easy. Try to just do enough so sure you don't damage, because this is aluminum pump. Like I said in the other videos, aluminum cracks really easy. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you remove the oil pump from the Mitsubishi Eclipse 99 GS. That's about it. You guys make sure you like it, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on next video. Who knows when and who knows what. Ladies.